Alright, here is a 1970 Ford Fairlane. It's coming in for some body work. As you can see, we got some holes that we had to patch. Do some cutting, some pasting. But pretty nice car for what it is. Interior's in really nice shape. It just needs some TLC, but not bad at all. We might be selling these front seats, going with some bucket seats. So if anybody wants these seats, I got them up for sale. Don't have a price yet, but we'll come up with one. Door panels are in pretty decent shape. Just need some TLC. Recover them a little bit, but overall the car's not too bad. We got some new front fenders, so we'll just swap those out. The rear panels we're gonna have to cut and paste, get all that done. As you can see, there's a little bit of wrinkle. I don't know if you can see it in the picture right there. Touch that up. But yeah, nice little car overall. But I'll be taking some videos as we go, working on this car. Show you what we do to it. Yeah, this side too, it's just a lot of cancer. As if you look, you can see just a lot of cancer. Underneath the car is not so bad. We looked underneath it, and it looked like there was only one little hole so far. But yeah, this one's going to start be torn apart pretty soon. And we'll give an estimate on how much it's going to take. How much it's going to be and how much it's going to take to fix. But yeah, not too bad a little car. She's got a little 302, I believe, or let me double check. There you go. These don't hold up too well. There you go. It's got a little hole right there. That's all got to get patched up. The lower half, we're going to do a smooth firewall. The owner wants to put a 4.6 liter in from a 99 or 2000 Mustang, so we'll have 260 horsepower. It's just what the owner wants, so that's what we're gonna do. Might have to modify the shock towers a little bit to get it to fit. But it's a nice little engine. Battery's dead, or I would start it up for you. But we jump start it. And it runs. It sounds pretty decent. But yeah, as you can see, all this. That's all got to be worked on. So we'll probably separate the hood from and get all that cancer right there, get all this here, and then put it back together. And this is all, as you can look here, they got it all folded up and pinch welded. But yeah. See if I can get it a little bright. There you go. And all this has to be peeled back. There's a bunch of little spot welds here and there. Let's see if I can get the zoom. Oh well. No worries. But yeah, we'll get her. It's a good little car. Just needs some TLC. Is that getting caught right there? Yeah, I have to fix that. I'll mess with that later. But yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad. That's coming apart. Anyways, little car cruise that we go to here in Lodi. Oh, that's where this went. I was looking for you. He wants to convert it to a manual transmission, so we'll get rid of that, make it a manual versus an automatic. Yeah. There's a few places we can find that makes parts for these cars, but a lot of the parts we have to make ourselves. So we're gonna have some fun with that. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll keep you posted on what all the work we have to do. This one's gonna be fun right here. Redoing this. I don't know if I can zoom on that. There we go. That's gonna be fun. I don't know until we start taking everything apart, all we have to do. See, it's all cancer. Holes everywhere. Holes inside. Big old huge wrinkle right here. Just big old wrinkle right there. Can't really see it that way, but with the light, you see how the lines, it's all distorted right there. That's the wrinkle. But a good looking car. It's worth saving.